What is the true purpose of life? Life is not in between birth and death. Life has important purpose. Life is not a linear one. It is a cyclic process. Lot of time people misunderstood the law of karma. It is not a linear process. Past life affect our present life and present life affect our future. It is more of like cyclic process, and this karma is a bondage, and this bondage causes suffering. Our ultimate aim is to be liberated from this bondage. The best way to do is to realize our true self. Who really are we? That must be our true purpose of our life. Self is not a separated from us. It is always present, and it is only the real unchanging reality. Neither born nor die, only the ultimate reality. To go beyond this veil of unreal vast ocean of illusion, we have to be the one with our true self. It is done either by self inquiry or by the self surrender method. Follow the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi and be one with your true self.